The cabin filter is located on the left corner of the footwell. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1154 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the back of the car. Installation may be easier if you pinch the sides down. Reinstall the filter housing door.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.